push her.
Run toward my stuff.
Stop pushing her. Leave her alone.
But she's going toward my stuff.
Leave her alone.
Go, baby. Go, baby.
Benji. Yeah. Leave her alone. Don't lift her. Push her that way a little bit. Move. Stand up and push her that way a little bit.
Ouch! I trying to move my stuff.
There, let her. She's going on her own. She's going on her own. Now play with your toys. Leave her alone. Let her go.
But she's going to my job.
Yeah, leave her alone now. She's fine.
No toys.
Benji, she's just coming this way. Move. She doesn't like it when you stop her. She just wants to go.
She's going toward my stuff. Don't get one because you put them in your mouth.
Okay, now come here. Leave her alone. Let's see where she goes. Leave her alone. Let's see where she goes. Benji, move. Let her go.
But she's going toward
No, she's going that way. No. Don't touch your controllers. No. Hey. You want me to spank you? Don't touch them.
I'm gonna play in here.
Zoe, no. Don't touch the controllers. Lay down a little bit when I'm done picking up.
Because I'm going to play with these in here.
Why are you being mean to brother stuff? Zoe. Mama. Hi. Hi. Okay, bye. Benji, you have to resort to the basket so Zoe won't bug you. Huh? Zoe, stop bugging your brother. Leave him alone. Hey. Zoe. Zoe. Mama.
No. I need better colors than these. Ooh, scary.
Why don't you play with Zoe and show her the cards and tell her who the people are inside the cards?
No.
Okay.
He's mean to me.
She doesn't mean to be. She just wants to play with you. Never a dull moment here. I'm always entertained.